Welcome to Woodside, a beautifully renovated 5-bedroom detached property with fantastic views overlooking its own grounds, which extend to approximately 4.2 acres, including a wonderful meadow with a lovely stream running through it. So if you are looking for a renovated property overlooking its own grounds, then Woodside in Hoopers Bridge could be just a property for you. So please contact us at Fine & Country and we'd love to show you around or indeed give you more details. Thank you.